Hello everyone, welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper, Tuesday, April the 20th, 2021. Yes, we are entering the 18th week of the lockdown, and in this additional we have here eight extra puzzles, Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Then we have two tectonics and two binaries, and I've already solved one. And but I do first the Sudoku with 3 stars, and this will be a number 2663. All right, and only four of them of the puzzles in the additional I will solve. The Sudoku with 3 stars, the 4 stars, one tectonic, and one binary. But first, the Sudoku with 3 stars, and this will be 26663, and this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right, so let's get started. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see which number. 6 in this first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. All right. Then how about the number 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. Only place for the 8 should be there. All right. Then, how about the number? Let me see. We have here 5 missing numbers. Wait. Yes, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in this row. So no 6 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. All right. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those numbers are the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here the 3 and the 7 in this column. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. So 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. All right. And then 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 148, 148, 148. We see here the 1 and the 4, so no 1 and the 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. All right. So 1 digit left in this column for number 8. All right. Then. How about the 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 5, I believe. Yes, 5 is missing. All right. 5 is missing. Then. How about We have a pair. We have a pair. We have a 4 and a 5 in this row, a 4 and a 5 in that row. So the row between, the only two places for the 4 and the 5 should be in these two boxes. Alright, 4 and a 5. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 2 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright, 2 and a 7. In this row, we have two boxes left in this row. Yes. Those are the numbers, the numbers 3 and the 6. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. 7 and 2, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. Then, how about the number? Yeah. 5, 9, yes, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. And look, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. We have a 5 here in this big square, so no 5 there. So the 5 and the 9 goes in those two boxes, 5 and a 9. One digit left in the third row for the number 3. All right. Let me fill those two numbers 5 and a 9 later. Otherwise it will be too messy in your puzzle, and sometimes you will make a mistake and overlook a certain digit. So I only mark the boxes within the big square. All right. All right. So now, let me see. 4. Yeah. How about 5. Okay. In this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. Here 5, so no 5 there. So the only two places for the 5 could be here, could be there. All right. Then, how about the 7? The 4. I need pairs. 2, 2. About here. 2, 2. Okay. 5, 5. Well. Not easy. 6, 6. How about the 3? 3. 3. We have a pair. 3 and 8 in this third row. 3 and 8 in the first row. So in the second row, the 3 and 8 should be in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 8. Okay, so what are the other 3 numbers? The 5 is missing. The 2 is missing. Look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this column. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes. 2 and a 5. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. One box left in this big square for the number 9. All right. One box left in the third row for the number 9. All right. right. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 7 and 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first row. For the numbers 4 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. All right. So now, let me see. 9, 9. 9. Okay, it's not. 6. Ay. Okay, these 3 missing numbers. Then, yeah, this should be a 5. Okay. 4 and a 5. 5. Yeah. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4 is missing. No, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 8. 2. 5. 1, the middle column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. Yeah. The middle column. 3 missing numbers. Oh, I made a mistake. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 5. Well, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. So now 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 8 and 2. 8 and 2. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers. The 3, the 6, and the 9. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 in this row. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. All right. Yeah. So we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column, the 3 and the 8. 3 and the 8. 3 and 8, and look, we have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right, 1 number left in this big square for number 3. All right. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. All right, and this box should be a 6. All right. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 6 should be there. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. All right, 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. All right, 1 number left in this row above for the number 4. All right, now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 7. All right, now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 2. All right, now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. All right, and the last 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right, finish in 50 minutes exactly. Yes, and I like this one. 3 stars Sudoku. Well, I give this a 2 star, not a 3 stars. I think a 3 stars I need 20 minutes to 25. Yeah, and a 4 stars 30 minutes or more. All right, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the 4 stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.